Dear Connor, when people ask me how I knew you were the one, I always say it's because you feel like home. Home being the place where I have nothing to be except myself. The place with the warmest hugs and the sweetest kisses. We've had 6 years of growing up, but never apart. In the summer 2017, when I thought my life possibly couldn't get any better, I met you. 6 years, and we both now have grown-up jobs. You held your breath with me when I didn't know where I would end up after graduation, and didn't miss a beat when we had 6 weeks to move across the country. We left our home in Toronto for a new one in Vancouver, but that didn't matter because a piece of home is always with you. Years, and you've taught me how to be a better person and partner, and you're always leading by example. You've taught me that true love takes hard work, but it's so worth it. What a privilege it has been to love you and to be loved by you, and I cannot wait to continue loving you for a lifetime. I promise to be your best friend throughout all of life's adventures. You have given me the world, and I promise to spend the rest of my life trying to do the same for you.
My wife. Those are 2 words I've waited a long time to say, and they couldn't feel more natural as I heard them out loud. Writing this, I sat down and tried to think about the very first moment I knew one day I'd call you my wife. I could go on for hours, but my mind kept drawing me back to the same moment. It's like my heart knew, within an hour of sitting in snack barbecue with you, that I was in the right place. It was how well you listened, the stories you told, the little mannerisms that make you, you. So many things in life seem doubtful and uncertain, but one thing I've never doubted for a second is you. You're my rock, my home, my best buddy, and the one thing that makes my life feel complete. Before every life-altering moment, I have a ritual of watching Steve Jobs' 2005 commencement speech from Stanford University. The speech ends with the famous, "Stay hungry, stay foolish," and I've always wished that for myself. And now, I wish that for us. May we forever stay hungry to explore the world and venture into life's greatest challenges together. And may we forever stay foolish to take risks, to make mistakes, to fall down, but to know that we have each other to go home to where everything is okay. I love you the most, Molly Sivaram. There is no way I'd much rather venture through life than with you as my love, my best friend, my wife.